Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So we've got the unboxing for the HTC U12 Plus. This is probably a highly anticipated device by a lot of people because a lot of us like the HTC U11. So the U12 Plus is definitely probably going to blow us away as well. They updated a few things like Edge Sense 2. They've got dual camera setup now. They still got the boom sound and the U-Sonic setup. And you got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 in this one. You still got 24-bit audio. The liquid surface that was on the other devices, the design is still here, and it's got 128 gigs and 6 gigs of RAM in here, so they decided to go ahead and change things up. This is a 64 gig model here. You do have the option for 128 gigs, so let's get this thing unboxed. Alright guys, as you can see here, you do get a case in the box again with the HTC devices. They're doing pretty good on giving out a case. However, I wish they would switch to the like a grippier matte case. That would be fantastic because this phone doesn't have the best grip, and this is definitely something that I think you would enjoy if you a different kind of case, that is a stickier case. But here it is right here. This is the HTC U12 Plus, and this is the translucent blue. You do have the dual camera setup there, a laser autofocus, dual tone LED flash, fingerprint reader, and a microphone on the back there, and then there's another microphone right here as well. On the bottom you have the Type C and the speaker out, another microphone with some very faint antenna lines. You've got the SIM tray on this side, and then you've got another microphone up top, and then the volume and power button over here. Now the power button is ridged, so be mindful of that. You've got your fast charger, the Type C as well, some literature, and a SIM ejection tool, and then you have the new U-Sonic headphones. These headphones are so nice, and I actually, sorry HTC, but I actually use these headphones with several Type C phones, and it works fantastic. So that's the unboxing for you guys. There's an extended unboxing, so be sure to go check that out. But this is just a brief overview on unboxing and see what comes in the box. So there it is, HTC U12 Plus. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.